How long have we been friends? 6,000 years.
Friends, we're not friends. We are an angel and a demon. We have nothing whatsoever in common. I don't even like you.
You do.
It's all part of the great plan. It's not for us to understand.
He says he wants to
It's ineffable.
The great plan is ineffable.
Exactly.
Stopping you getting into trouble.
I should have known, of course. These people are working for you.
No, they're a bunch of half-witted Nazi spies running around London, blackmailing and murdering people. I just didn't want to see you in Paris.
Oh, let me tempt you to. No, that's your job.
Let me tempt you to a spot of lunch.
Temptation accomplished.
You know, this all ends up in a puddle of burning goo. We can go off together.
Go off together.
That was bad. It was nice knowing you. We can't give up now.
Salutaria.
Animals don't kill each other with clever machines, Angel. Only humans do that.
Crowley.
Well, it's not the sort of thing you forget.
You know, Crowley, I've always said that deep down, you really are quite a nice.
Shut it. I'm a demon. I'm not nice. I'm never nice. Nice is a four-letter word. I will
Excuse
not...
me, gentlemen. Sorry to break up an intimate moment. Can I help you?
Gonna stay together, but one's never going to let go of that wire. He says that he will, but he's just a liar. Two birds on a wire.
What kind of stupid question is that? Still a demon? What else am I going to be? An aardvark?
Away and the other.
I forgot all the books. Oh, they'll all be blown to...
He says he wants
Little demonic miracle of man.
I could entertain.
No, please no. No.
I just need to get back in practice.
No, don't do your magic act. Please. Please, I'm actually begging you. You've no idea how demeaning that is.
Somebody killed my best friend! Did you go to Alpha Centauri?
I'll change my mind.
on a wire.
Stuff happened. I lost my best friend.
One tries to fly
So sorry to hear it.
away